The YAHSHUA Books Online is a YAHSHUA accounting solution that is designed with functional modules for your accounting records and processes. Here is a preview of its 3 basic modules. In this video, we're going to explore the Vendors, Customers, and Reports modules. First up, let's look at the Vendors module. The Vendors module includes the vendor lists, purchase order, receive inventory or bills, payment, and debit memo. When you open purchase order, you will find the history of your purchase orders that can be sorted by date or other filters that will help you easily find that particular PO when they are all piled up. You can click Create to make a new purchase order. The online form has all the basic purchase order details and more. Because it is online, series numbers, dates, and calculations can be auto-generated. The Receive Inventory or Bills has the same feature as the purchase order. It comes in a history list and you can create new records. Plus, you can link this to an existing purchase order. Like the purchase order and the Receive Inventory or Bills, the payments come with a history list and the Create feature. The payment method field is designed to capture the data that needs to be entered. Example, if your payment method is check, it will open up new fields specifically for check information. And then the debit memo. It's complete with a history list and the form is similar to the purchase order form. But we've added the return authorization and other fields necessary to record the debit memo. Our second basic module is the Customers module. This includes the customer lists, sales order, sales invoice, receipts or collection, credit memo, statement of account, and daily sales report. The sales order, sales invoice, receipts or collection, and credit memo have the same basic design. You will each find the history of their records and you can click Create to make new records. The online forms have all the basic fields that you need to record sales, collection, and credit memo. And again, because it's online, series numbers, dates, and calculations can be auto-generated. Now let's take a look at the Statement of Account or SOA. It will take you to a history of SOAs. When you click Create, it will bring up the SOA dialog with the necessary fields to generate a detailed statement of account. You can opt to generate per invoice or per item. Plus, you have the option to print the generated SOA. And of course, the daily sales report. This can be sorted by date, and it can also be sorted by location if you have multiple branches. Our third basic module is the Reports module. We have accounts payable, accounts receivable, financial statement, general ledger, inventory, bank reconciliation, cash flow, and trail balance reports readily available. Let's check out financial reports. Some of these reports may be new to you, so we've added a brief description beside them to guide you. Our example will be the Statement of Financial Operation or SFO. Once you've selected the date range, this will bring up the statement for the period. You now have the option to view Schedule to see the details of the SFO. And oh, did we mention that all these are printable and exportable? Yes, they are. So if you're keen to have backup files, you can click Print to open your print dialog or Export to download these records as Excel or worksheets. These are just the 3 basic modules, and that means there are more modules that can be available to you according to your unique business setup. And that is YAHSHUA Books Online, a capable tool that goes with the YAHSHUA Accounting Solutions, streamlining your back-end support. We've made sure that for your business, everything has a solution. YAHSHUA Solutions, making impossible things possible.